guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How are you today? Before I start, let me thank each and every one of you who subscribe and follow our channel, and I'm really grateful to all of you. For today's video, what I'm going to do is cash tapping our sinking funds for or binders actually, and the amount that I will cash tap here is 2,380. Okay, join me as I count it. Let me count it first. So let's do it. 500, 1,000, 1,500, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,200, plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 180. So correct, it's 2,810. Oh, 880. So for the first binder is my priority binder. So one of the priority is emergency fund. I allocated here 100. I will not count the total and I will update the tracker later because I don't want to keep all of your time. So 100. And for education, I also allocate here 100. And there's still have some coupons here that my son using. So now it's 700 plus the coupons. Okay, let me do the money like this here. So for travel, I allocated here 100 as well. So 100. For parent, I allocated here $50 each. So they have 900 each. So if I put 50, I'll put 100 here so that they can have $50 each. So the total amount here is they have 1,000. Oh, let me change this. So they have 950 each. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's hold on. It's 19 divided by 2. So $950 each. My mother and my mother-in-law. The next one is for Christmas. I allocated here 400. So this is the last 400 for Christmas, and I haven't completed my Christmas gift yet, but I will try to complete it this week. So 400. So this one I will going to take it out and buy gifts. So you will, but I will cash tapping again in January because it's a yearly cash tapping for me. So it's more easy to cash tap more or save more. So later you will not see. I will spend it later. So next one is for health binder. So for health binder, for health and general consultation, vitamins and medicine, I allocated here 100. Oh, it's already open. So 100. And next one is for dental. It's $50. 50. Oh, let's change this one. 245. 50. So let's get this done. For eyeglass or vision, it's $50 as well. So let's get this 50 and grab 100 here. And for beauty or self-care, I allocated here $50. So if you haven't seen my self-care saving challenge, the amount that I saved there is not part of this one. So I use it, that money that I saved there, I use it for my massage. Yeah, I've been to the massage parlor, so I have some self-love. So this one is for our general self-care, okay? So for haircut for my son, it's $80. And change. I need to go back. I'm not sure. Okay. And next one is for, oops, sorry. It's for birthday, occasion, family, my friend, my amigas, binder. So for birthday, for me and my daughter's birthday, I allocated here $100 each. So make 200 because we're on the same envelope. So let's get 50 each, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 350 each. No. Yeah. Because we're born on the same month, March. So next one is for my my first daughter. I didn't allocate here anything. Let's see if I can consolidate, if I can condense this. Send some. Okay. For my son and my husband's birthday envelope, they are also on the same birthday month. So I allocated here $50 each. So now they will share 150 each. And for my mom's birthday envelope, hold on, still intact. 600 is still intact. And I allocated here, I didn't allocate any for now. And for family fund, I allocated here 100 because we're gonna use it this coming Christmas or when we go somewhere this during this holiday. Okay. For date and anniversary, I haven't used it yet, but I allocated here $50. So now it's 500. And for holidays and festivities, this is also extra if we don't have enough money going to like New Year because I don't have challenges in New Year or Chinese New Year, I'll get from here. If we want to go out. So I allocated here $70 to make it 70, hold on, So now, it's 100, 200, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 410. Hold on. Why? I think it's extra. Yeah, I have extra 10 here. So I'll take it out. Should be, it should be 400. Okay. So for gift, I allocated here $50. So now the total amount is 200. And for my BFF, my amigas, we haven't go out yet for a long time because we're really busy. I allocated here and the timing is not good. So that's why. At least I have something that I can carry whenever we gather all together. We gather the three of us. Okay, for the low priority binder, what I have here is for our household or the main house maintenance. I allocated here $50. I get 100 and give 50 back. Okay. For gadget and tech, I allocated here 280. 200, give 300 and put 20 back. So let's see how much the total. 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,680. Yay. Just a few dollar and I can pay iPad. Okay. For shopping, allocated here 200. So we will need new clothes for the winter and for Christmas. So I allocated 200 here. And for help or giving, I allocated here $50. And for hosting, I allocated here $50 as well. So let's grab this. The total is 400. I don't know what I did wrong, why I still have so much money here. Anyway, you see, maybe for exchanging, why I have so much. I will check again each of the binder and I'll let you know soon. Just hang on. Hi, lovely. So upon checking my binders, hold on, it's all correct. So what I have extra here, this is for my credit card. Actually, I bought something from for Christmas and it's still the money is still here, but I use my credit card. That's why the total amount there is different. So this is for the payment of that item, which is I use my credit card. So that's it for now, lovelies. Thank you very much. Think I sorted it out and thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Bye for now and see you later. Bye.